Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Brandon's Basic Math, and today we're going to be looking at the next few problems in this ACT math practice test, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is a pretty worded question here. So the number of students participating in fall sports at a certain high school can be shown with the following matrix. The athletic director estimates the ratio of the number of sports awards that will be earned to the number of students participating with the following matrix. So given these matrices, what is the athletic director's estimate for the number of sports awards that will be earned for these fall sports? So these ratios here are representing the awards per student. So all we need to do is just multiply these ratios here times the number of students participating in each sport to get the number of awards here. And this is just a little dimensional analysis here. So if you're doing 0.2 awards per student times 25 students, the students would cancel out and you would get 5 awards for tennis. And then you do the same thing for soccer. So 0.5 times 30 is going to give 15 awards. And then you do 0.3 times 50, which is 15 awards for cross country. And you do 0.4 times 80, which is 32 awards for football. So all you need to do is just sum all of these up, and that's going to total 67, which is going to be answer choice D. Okay, and moving right along here, this is another worded problem, but it encompasses two problems for the table that they give here. So these are just social study classes, and they have different periods and the number of students enrolled in each period for each section. So question 14, what is the average number of students enrolled per section in U.S. history? So in this case, all we're looking at is the U.S. history side here. So we're seeing that they have 25, 29, and 24 students. So we can add all of these up, and it's going to total 78 students divided by 3 different periods or 3 different sections here. And that's going to total 26 students per section, which is answer choice G. Just taking the mean number of students for 3 sections here. And then problem 15, the school wants to have all the students enrolled in social studies classes read the same book at the same time so that the author of the book can speak to the students at an assembly. So the school originally purchased 2 classroom sets, 30 books each, but now one set is missing 3 books and another set is missing 5. So that means that one set has 27 books and one set has 25 books, right? So for which of the following class periods, if any, are there not enough books available for each student to have 1 book? So we're looking at periods now. So period 1, this is the only one here. It has 23 students enrolled. So that's going to be covered because we have 27 as our max here. So for period 2, we have 24 and 25. Both of these are over 25 or more. So that means these are both good for period 2. So looking at period 3, we have one here and one here. So one of these has 29. We don't have 29, so let's just call 25. That's not going to meet it. And then we have 27 here. So let's go ahead and put an X here. And we know we're going to meet 27. So we know number 3 is already going to be a period that's not going to work. Then we can look at period number 4. So period 4 has 24. So we could put that with the group that has 25 again. And then period 4 has 26, and we can put that with the group that has 27. So that works. So period 4 is good. And then period 6 has 27, and we do have 27 here again. So period 6 is going to be good as well. So the only period here that's not going to work is period 3, which is answer choice B. So if you like these tutorials, please be sure to leave a like and give me a follow.